Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Valorant lag for low-end PC even without graphics card. So let's begin. Open up your Valorant first. On your Valorant app, go ahead and go to your settings and then to your graphics settings. Once you go ahead and go there, make sure that everything is on the lowest settings. Even this two on the middle. Make sure the other one is none and the one is 1x. Another thing we can do is go to your video and then resolution. On the resolution, make sure it is on the full screen and at the lowest resolution. It gives you the best FPS that Valorant can give you without stressing out your PC. Now, everything that we can do on the app or the game itself on the settings is done. Go ahead and exit out the Valorant app. Another thing we could do is go to your settings and type in game mode. Once you're in game mode, go ahead and turn game mode on, as this optimizes your windows for a better play. Once done, go ahead and exit out the settings. And another thing we could do is optimizing your startup apps on Task Manager. So go ahead and open up your Task Manager and press on startup and disable any unnecessary apps that might slow down your PC that can affect your gameplay. Once done, another thing we could do is go ahead and customize your animations for your PC. So, for example, like opening an app or even a game, it might slow down your PC. So what we can do is go ahead and go to your Windows and type in adjust, and adjust the appearance and performance of Windows will appear. So go ahead and enter, and here go ahead and click on custom. With the custom here, go ahead and disable any animation that will be on your Windows. If you don't like it, just go ahead and turn it back on. Once you reduce your preferred animations or preferred settings, just go ahead and click on apply and then OK. Once done, everything should be set and your Valorant for lag should be lessened. That will be all for today. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.